Hey there folks, Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we're going to show you how to return your Steelcase Think Chair. Let's get started. So the return process on your Steelcase Think Chair is rather simple. Let's get started. So looking at the chair, we just want to make sure the arms are down, and we do want to actually pull the seat forward, and that just allows us to move the back rather easily. Alright, so in order to remove the back, I'm going to use a T30 bit, and we need to remove two screws, one here and one here. So we'll just zip those out real quick. One there, one here. Alright, now to remove the back, we'll just reach from behind here and grab it underneath and pivot it back until it rotates down and comes right off. Okay, so now that we have the back off, we'll just go ahead and set that off to the side. Next, we want to make sure our cylinder is all the way in the lowest position. So we'll stand back up, go ahead and put our knee into the seat and just lower the chair down. Okay, once the cylinder is down, we'll go ahead and put the seat back. Go ahead and put the back onto the seat, like so. Okay, so now that we have the chair completely disassembled, we're just going to throw a quick bag over top of it and throw it in the box. Okay, so all we have here left is to put the chair into the box. For your screws on the side you took out, you can go ahead and place those right into the instructions envelope if it's still enclosed there. That should be good there. Alright, so what we have left to do is put the chair into the box, and if you have any extra packaging left over, you can go ahead and place that on the bottom of the package as well. But all we're going to do is reach from behind, grab the chair from underneath, and set it right into the box. Alrighty, so now we're all set. We've got the chair ready to go. If you have any filler paper, feel free to put some in, but we're just going to package it up and tape it up now. Alright, I got one piece of tape there to secure it. I want to come back this way with at least 6 pieces of tape for proper security. So the final step after we have it nice and taped up is to apply the shipping label. And we're all set to go. Okay, so we've got our Steelcase Think Chair all packaged up, ready for return shipping. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Please like and subscribe down below, and have a wonderful day. So we have our, do too much of this, I gotta do something else. So we have our chair packaged up. No. So we have our chair, where am I? Am I in the screen here? Yeah. Okay, we've got our Steelcase Think Chair all packaged up, ready for return. Cut that. Cut. Well, that's it, folks. Not too much to it. Not too much to it. That was pretty stupid. All right. Hi.
Hi. What?
We don't want you. We're just saying hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Bye. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.